Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and it's time for another edition of my 60-second DIY. What's it gonna be today? Well, school supplies are making their appearance, I know. Being a retired teacher, I totally get it. But there's no reason we can't have some fun. So let's make and create a fun project for yourself or for a gift of your favorite teacher. We've had such a rough year. So what do you say? Grab your supplies and let's get started. So we're going to start out with all these supplies, some stickers, one of those paper towel holders from Dollar Tree, some wooden slats, and all of these things. We need a clock. Let's go. So first I've got some leftover scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby, and I have these wooden slats that I got at Walmart. And so I'm just going to cover that little wooden slat, stick it on with a glue stick, and then I'm just using my sandpaper block to take off the excess. Next, I'm just going to hot glue on the clothespin right in the center. And then look at these beautiful stickers. I got these a long time ago and never knew what I was going to use them for. I love the green and I love how the font is. So we are going to add these on there just like that. You can make it say whatever you like, but I love, great job, it's done. And since this is a Soozie Stuff project, we must add a jute twine bow, of course. And so all I need to do now, 9 seconds, is to hot glue this right on the paper towel holder. And let me tell you, it is stuck. I couldn't even move it after I put it on there. Time's up. So this is complete. What do you think? I would have loved to have gotten this as a school teacher on my first grade classroom desk. And it's great to pick a child's work for the day or maybe a homework assignment that they did really well and to display it there on your desk. How fun is that? Or anywhere in the classroom. And so here's a great paper that's done. And also teachers have stations and centers. So you could also use this paper towel holder for that. Or you can just put your favorite quote. I love this one, and I hope you enjoyed our 60-second back to school DIY today. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I just enjoy all of the comments, and if you haven't commented, give me a quick little shout out. Subscribe, and even a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. I upload Tuesdays for a 60-second DIY, and then Saturdays is a full DIY tutorial. So thanks for joining me on Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.